Now, the President of Court of Appeal, Justice Monica Dongbe-Mesem, has disclosed that the court delivered a total of 7,295 judgments and rulings on 3,665 motions in the 2022-2023 legal year alone. Justice Dongbe-Mesem made the disclosure at the commencement of the 2023-2024 new legal year held at the headquarters of the court. She recalled that a total of 98 panels were constituted to hear election petitions across the country to handle a total of 1,209 petitions that were filed against the 2023 general elections. Victoria Agbi was there, and here's more in this report.
At the 2023-2024 legal year ceremony, the President's Court of Appeal, Justice Monica Dongbe-Mesem, reinstated that the courts will continue to discharge its responsibilities by ensuring that appeals are heard in time with utmost dedication, commitment, and diligence.
These appeals were diligently heard and determined in a timely manner and in compliance with the tenets enshrined in the 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, as amended, and other regulatory rules. This legal year, we are poised to further harness the potential of technology, fortify the capacities of staff, and deepen our tireless devotion in the discharge of our constitutional mandate.
In his speech, the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice, Prince Lateef Fagbemi, said that President Bola Tinubu's administration will address the issue of shortage of justices at the Court of Appeal and the Supreme Court.
There is need for improved credibility and certainty in the judicial process through adherence to established precedents and avoidance of conflicting decisions, compliance with ethics or code of conduct for judicial officers to sustain integrity and public confidence. The concerns of other categories of judicial workers, that is the JUSUM, should also be holistically addressed such that they will have no cause to shut down our courts or ever again. Where the foregoing and other challenges are frontally addressed, then we would have placed the Nigerian judiciary on an irreversible path of greatness expected of a modern judiciary.
Speaking on behalf of the body of Senior Advocates of Nigeria, Kanu Agabisan, and FCT Minister Nyesom Wike said that Nigerians' continued survival greatly depends on the transparency of judicial officers in the discharge of their judicial functions.
Judiciary is like a mother, and our duty of respect for the judiciary is unqualified. Please, we can criticize judiciary, but we ought not to abuse it. It is not a perfect institution, it is a human institution. Mistakes are being made. We can correct it not by condemnation, but by encouragement and commendation.
We recognize that a strong and independent judiciary is pivotal to the preservation of justice, the protection of citizens' rights, and the overall well-being of our society. Therefore, we are resolute in our determination to provide the necessary support to ensure the efficient functioning of the court. We are not unaware of some of the challenges confronting the justices of this honorable court in the FCT, especially the problems associated with the accommodation. We will look closely at this matter and see how it can be best mitigated.
We must also not forget that it is the engagement between the litigants and counsel with the courts through the instrumentality of the processes prescribed by the rules of court and the evidence adduced, guided by the application of the law of evidence that determines the outcome of any dispute. The court will not and must not act on anything outside of what was presented to it, while the public may know one thing on a matter, unless and until such is domiciled before the court, with the court within the confines of the rules and the law, the court cannot act unsafe.
The legal year ceremony is a long-established tradition ushering in the new legal year and also provides an opportunity for justices to reflect on the successes and challenges of the previous year, review them, and explore what lies ahead. In Abuja, Victoria Agbi, reporting for Kaftan TV News.